boys and girls. Welcome to week 3 of your math vocabulary for virtual learning. I'm going to go through your lesson with you for today. I hope you guys had a great long weekend and are ready to work hard again online. So here I have your first page of your PowerPoint. This is the video that you're watching right now. And then I'm asking you to please go study your PowerPoint, which I'm going to go through with you in just a minute. And then after that, after you've studied your PowerPoint and you feel good about your vocabulary words, then you can go take your vocabulary quiz on forms. And then at the very end of the PowerPoint, I have given you 2 websites that if you have time, you are welcome to go explore those. But they are definitely not something you have to do unless you have time. We would like for you to have time to do all of your assignments. Okay, so let's look at this PowerPoint. The first thing I want to show you is your I can statement. The words this week have to deal with order of operations and solving equations. So these are your TEKS right here for this week. And that's what you will see when you do your work on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So here are your vocabulary words for today. Order of operations, brackets, parentheses, expression, simplify when it's used with an expression, not fractions this week, and equivalent expression. So if you'll notice on the next several pages, I've given you your definitions, and sometimes I've put a video in there for you to watch. So when you go do order of operations or PEMDAS, you'll click on this video and you'll watch the video and study your graphic right here.